Activity 1.
There were 5 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell down. There were 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell down. There were 3 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell down. There were 2 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell down. There was 1 in the bed, and the little one said, good night.
Activity 2. After the final exams, students of class 6, which included 4 boys and 6 girls, planned to go to a garden. Reshma, Sona, Mona, Mahesh, Irfan, Geeta, Eva, Sunita, Sanjay and Jay go to a small garden near to the school. Sona and Mona are swinging on the swings. Reshma is on the slide. Eva, Geeta and Sunita are playing with the ropes they brought from home. They are skipping. Irfan and Mahesh are playing on the seesaw. Sanjay is behind the tree and Jai is on the tree. Activity 3. Ramesh, give me your sharpener, please.
Here it is, ma'am.
Thank you. Put it on the table.
Jayant, put your eraser on the table.
Oh, sure.
Thanks.
Give me your sketch pen, Divya.
No sketch pen, sorry.
Okay, give me your hairpin.
Here it is.
હવે વિદ્યાર્થીઓ તમે જોડીમાં કામ કરો. આવા સંવાદ બનાવો અને વર્ગ સમક્ષ રજૂ કરો.
Activity 8. It was a cold day. Last year, there was one really bad day.
ગયા વર્ષે એક દિવસ ખરેખર બહુ ખરાબ હતો.
It was Monday.
તે દિવસ સોમવાર હતો.
Usually, there are about 25 students in my class. But that day, there were only 5 students.
સામાન્યતઃ મારા વર્ગમાં 25 વિદ્યાર્થીઓ હોય છે. પણ તે દિવસે માત્ર 5 જ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ હતા.
It was really cold.
ખરેખર ખૂબ ઠંડી હતી.
It was raining a lot.
પુષ્કળ વરસાદ વરસી રહ્યો હતો.
It was dark and grey outside. There was no sunshine.
બહાર અંધારું હતું. તડકો ન હતો.
I think the students were not at the school because they were sick.
મેં માન્યું કે વિદ્યાર્થીઓ શાળામાં ન હતા કારણ કે તેઓ બીમાર હતા.
They were at home. Maybe they were in bed.
તેઓ ઘરે હતા કદાચ તેઓ પથારીમાં હતા.
Mr. Joshi is our teacher. He is always at school.
શ્રી જોશી અમારા શિક્ષક છે. તેઓ હંમેશા નિશાળે હોય છે.
He is never at home on Monday.
તેઓ સોમવારે ક્યારેય ઘરે નથી હોતા.
Last Monday was no different. He was not in bed.
ગયો સોમવાર અલગ ન હતો. તેઓ પથારીમાં ન હતા.
He was in the classroom and he was cold.
તેઓ વર્ગમાં હતા અને તેઓ ઠરી ગયા હતા.
He was not in warm clothes.
તેમણે ગરમ કપડાં પહેર્યા ન હતા.
In fact, all the students were cold. It was freezing.
હકીકતમાં બધા જ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ ઠરી ગયા હતા.
The school was like a refrigerator.
નિશાળ રેફ્રિજરેટર જેવી હતી.
Our room was like a freezer.
અમારો રૂમ ફ્રીઝર જેવો હતો.
And poor Mr. Joshi was like ice.
અને શ્રી જોશી બિચારા બરફ જેવા ઠરી ગયા હતા.
The small class was cold, cold, cold.
નાનો વર્ગ ખૂબ જ ઠંડો હતો.
It was raining heavily.
ભારે વરસાદ વરસી રહ્યો હતો.
I left the school early.
હું શાળામાંથી વહેલી નીકળી ગઈ.
The rain stopped at night.
રાતે વરસાદ અટકી ગયો.
Next day, the sun was shining.
બીજા દિવસે સૂર્યપ્રકાશ હતો.
So everything was okay.
તેથી બધું બરાબર હતું.
There were 25 students, not only 5.
વર્ગમાં 25 વિદ્યાર્થીઓ હતા, માત્ર 5 નહીં.
But where was Mr. Joshi?
પરંતુ શ્રી જોશી ક્યાં હતા?
He wasn't there.
તેઓ ત્યાં ન હતા.
He was at home, sick in bed.
તેઓ ઘરે હતા, માંદા, પથારીમાં.
Activity 9.
અર્ચના નામની છોકરી દરરોજ ડાયરી લખે છે, પરંતુ કેટલાક દિવસોથી ડાયરી લખવાનું ચૂકી ગઈ છે. તે પોતાની મમ્મીને પૂછીને લખે છે. અર્ચના અને તેની મમ્મીના સંવાદ આપેલા છે.
Mummy, please tell me, where were we the last Sunday?
We were on the farm.
Oh, yes. What was the name of that big tree?
Big tree?
One near the well.
Yes, that was an amla tree.
Okay. Where was I on Friday afternoon?
On Friday? What was the date?
It was the 11th of this month.
We were in the Doodh Sagar dairy.
And Mummy, on the 12th?
You and your friends were at library?
Oh, yes, I remember now. I was there with my friends. And on the 10th of this month?
On the 10th of this month, you were at the doctor's clinic.
Yes, but I will not write that.
Why not, beta?
No, it was a bad experience.
But it was a real experience. So please do write it.